Robotics requires more tools than just screwdrivers and hammers. Using Autodesk Fusion 360, our team can connect efficiently, make design changes fast, and brainstorm improvements to our robot. During this difficult time where we cannot meet because of COVID, Autodesk Fusion 360 provides an alternative solution for our team. Our robot engineering design process is a systematic problem-solving strategy to come up with the best possible solution to a problem. The 6 steps are: define the problem, generate concepts, design a solution, build and test, evaluate the solution, and present the solution. At our virtual meetings, we build and design individual robotics parts. Then using the Team Hub feature in the software, our team can access the same robotics files online. Fusion 360 allows us to synthesize all our files into one big master file.
Using the chat function in the master file, we are able to leave messages to our other team members about anything that needs to be fixed or changes that need to be made in the future. This helps us to communicate easily and helps make the building process as smooth as possible. When it is time for our next weekly virtual meeting, we discuss our progresses and then assign each team member parts or refinements they should work on.
The difference between real-life robot construction and the Autodesk Fusion 360 software is that through Fusion 360, we can work on individual parts instead of the entire team scrambling around one robot to try to figure out an issue or improve a certain part. This is done with the linking function in Autodesk, which means that the things we change on individual files will also show up on the master file for linked objects. Using the Fusion 360 through the Team Hub, we can work on a certain part that is hard to reach or access in real-life scenarios. This makes the construction process smoother and easier.
Throughout the year, we utilized the wiki page function on the Autodesk Fusion 360 website, where we created a page and kept our team calendar. Our calendar included our weekly meetings, individual progress on different parts of the robot, and progress on the improvement and changes that we made as a team. We also took detailed weekly notes, like talking about what we did, issues and solutions, anecdotes, mistakes, and lessons learned. It acted as a place of our virtual logbooking. This is convenient because it is linked to our Fusion 360 team account, making it easy for the entire team to access. Most importantly, Autodesk Fusion 360 gives us a way to collaborate as a team during the coronavirus pandemic. We learned a lot through this software, such as collaborating as a virtual team using CAD and assigning and tracking individual responsibilities. Without the software, we could not have made it throughout the year and gained the knowledge of using CAD as a team. We will definitely keep using this app even when we start meeting in person because it is easy to use. It helps us to locate and change issues on individual parts in Fusion 360 that are much harder to change when physically on the robot. This will help our team in competitions dramatically by providing us a tool to change and improve our computer-based robot without physical obstacles in the way. The knowledge of using CAD and teamwork will provide many career paths in the future, especially in engineering and design. We love Autodesk Fusion 360 and thank Autodesk for everything that it provided us during this difficult pandemic.